Welcome back to Home Educator Mom. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys on a short but sweet tour of our farm. So we have 5 acres, but as you can see here, a lot of it is used for plants. We grow tomatoes, corn, cabbage, zucchini, all the good stuff. If you guys want to check out the growth process of these plants, make sure to check out our shorts on those. So we have about 20 chickens, and they all live in that green coop right over here. There they are. That's a lot of them. Oh yeah, and we have a couple ducks in there too. We generally feed them in the morning, but today they've already had their breakfast, so they're good for today. Of course, the farm wouldn't be complete without pigs. These little guys are actually coonies. They're mini pigs, which means they're smaller than an average pig like a Yorkshire. But despite their small size, they have a giant appetite. This is one of our guard dogs, Patch. He's a Great Pyrenees, so it's his instinct to protect the animals. Hiding back there are our Dorper sheep, and we've got, I think, 6 or 7. And there's a lamb back there, but it's actually getting a lot bigger.
And that's our farm crammed into 60 seconds. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.